Hello, good morning everyone. It's Monday morning and we're in the Lake District. Still, shockingly we didn't leave overnight. So today is supposedly supposed to be the last day with no rain. Well, it's meant to start raining this evening onwards, and then for the rest of this week it's meant to be showery. It's meant to be really heavy for the next couple of days. So today we decided to go kayaking because that's one of the few things that we really wanted to do coming up here, and it's kind of the only thing you can't do if it rains, really. Well, I mean you could, but you know, the other thing that we wanted to do is go on lots of walks, which we can do in the rain. I feel like easier than kayaking. I don't know. We just think kayaking's a good shout for today when it's sunny. Oh, look, a squirrel. So yeah, Chris's parents were already set off for their little hike wherever they're going. And me and Chris are about to head off to go kayaking. Where is he? Hidayah. Who is Hidayah?
Right, I'm ready.
You ready? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Vlog is uploading from last night. I was going to try and upload it last night so it could upload overnight. So then I wouldn't have to worry about leaving it on all day. But it took me until about 11:15 again to edit it, and it was half an hour to export it again. Lots of footage. Kayaking.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Yeah, I'm ready. I've got a bag of spare clothes just in case I capsize. We arrived. There's the lake over there in the distance. So we're gonna look at some kayaks. Hopefully they'll have some for us, because it's the last not rainy day for a while. We think it might be a bit busy. I don't know, I think we'll be okay. I reckon they're prepared. Should I leave my bag in the car? Or will there be somewhere to put it right by the thing? Because I'd prefer that.
You could probably do that, yeah. I don't see why you couldn't.
Okay, I mean worst comes to worst, I can just come back and put it in the car, can't I?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, let's go get some kayaks then.
Let's do it.
This is so much easier to turn than a two-person kayak.
I didn't realise that I was steering in the two-person.
I realise that, but for different reasons.
Because you left me on my own to try and steer.
No. Well, yeah. That was an indication that you could not steer.
Right.
Alright, let's head towards the right.
Wait, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, for f***'s sake. How are you already behind? I love you so much.
Why are there waves? It's a lake.
It's windy, bubs.
It's still a lake.
It's the way you're paddling, you're like... Yeah, that's it. Show the water who's boss. Okay, you're going straight for my kite now.
When you say this direction, where exactly do you mean?
Straight ahead towards those mountains. Yeah. Like towards that nice house. That's where the rapids are. Where the black bits are. Yeah. Yep.
Okay, I'm back up. Splash me when you're there.
big waves, big waves. Uh-oh, uh-oh. That's fun. No. It's too many waves. Every time I cut my feet, I just lose my balance.
Too windy.
Too windy. Do you want to swap kayaks? That water is so warm. Yeah. I thought it'd be freezing. This is the part where a jellyfish comes up to me. Round 2. They follow me, so probably. Do these float? Yeah. Wait. Yeah, they do. That's really lucky. Right. I'm gonna do this. Yeah. Thank you. Uh-oh. Sarah! Help me, Sarah! Alright, I got it this time. I'm on it. I got it. Thank God the water's really warm. Right. Keep my paddle for a second.
Chris, you're tilting.
Move away! I don't have a paddle!
With the paddle! I can't move with two.
Now you know how I feel with me, Hawker! Chris, steer us away! Chris! Chris! I had Lewis's paddle when I saved him.
I had their paddles.
I thought I had them.
No, I had 3 paddles on my lap. You were yelling at me.
Oh yeah, that's what happened. I forget about that. Right.
Yell at me for things that you can't even remember properly.
I can yell at you for being physically incapable.
I'm small.
We should probably head back in a bit. I don't know how long we got left.
I reckon we've been out for half an hour.
Am I wet? Can I borrow your towel?
Did you not bring a towel?
No, I told you, I forgot to bring a towel and a spare change of clothes.
So we do have to go back to the house regardless then?
Yeah.
God damn it.
Traffic looks bad as well.
The spanner logo's on your GoPro.
Please tell me I got all of that. Yeah, I did.
That was super fun. Had a nice kayak. Got a little bit wetter than I thought it would, purely because I think the kayak we had in Mallorca didn't have draining holes, whereas this one did, which meant water came in from the bottom, and that's why I got wet. But top half of me was completely dry. I didn't fall in because as soon as I saw Chris fall in, I didn't attempt any of the challenges. The challenge was to try and stand up. He did not succeed.
Yeah, I gave it a go though.
You did. You did. So I was like, I bought myself a spare change of clothes thinking, you know, I'm super smart. I know I'm gonna get wet, so I'm gonna bring a spare change of clothes. Do you know what I forgot to pack? Underwear. So, current situation is I've wrapped myself up in a towel. And I've taken all my wet clothes off. And I'm just gonna hope Chris's family aren't back at the house yet. So I can walk in just in a towel. Yeah. You're gonna clean them? Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry, everyone. Sorry. You wanna take a jacket? I might take a jacket. Well, I'll take a raincoat. Hey, we're heading out for lunch now. But it needs to be a small lunch because we're having roast for night.
It will be. We're gonna get a sandwich. Maybe some chips.
Sandwich and chips. That sounds really nice. Let's go. Yeah! I'm so excited. Well, that was super nice. Super relaxing. But it has gotten distinctively chillier though. I was a bit cold sitting outside today. Anyways, I think we're just gonna have a cozy night in now. Chris's family's cooking us a roast. Sorry, my hair is a train wreck right now. Hang on, let me put you between my legs. So yeah, we've also seen a lot of jets flying past, which is pretty cool. And because we're in a valley, it like echoes really cool. I like it. We're gonna head home for a cozy evening in.
Yeah, can't wait for the roast.
Gonna be good.
My family is so good at making roasts.
We have a dilemma. There's the house. There's the sheep.
Excuse me, Mr. Sheep.
Thank you, thank you. Now we've got to keep an eye out.
Dog.
Oh god. Got to keep an eye out so they don't try and run through the gate. Ooh, we did another puzzle. It is different. It's Europe, but it's a very old Europe. Yugoslavia, Czechoslovakia, USSR. Chris is just drawing on the box where the missing pieces are because they did that on the other box.
It's very helpful.
And it was very helpful, yeah. This one we didn't know where the missing pieces were, so we have there's 9 missing pieces on this one.
Yeah.
But we've done very well. I feel like we did this one a lot quicker. We had a better system.
Yeah, we did. Right, here she goes. Destroyed Europe faster than Brexit.
God, don't make it really sad. We've got scratches to do. I'm sleepy. Oh my goodness. Don't. We're gonna end the vlog slightly early tonight so that I'm not editing till 11 in the evening. So yeah, we're just gonna play Scrabble while I edit the vlog. That's this evening. Won £4 on a scratchy. Yeah, now we're gonna play Scrabble sleepily and then head off to bed. Yeah. Shall we say bye-bye? Bye. See you tomorrow.